Want to start gardening but don't know where to begin? Delve into the joy of nurturing plants, a hobby that's as rewarding as it is therapeutic. Fear not, budding gardeners. We'll tackle common pitfalls and guide you to success. So, gear up as we're about to explore the wonderful world of gardening. Starting a garden begins with finding the right location. Sunlight is vital, with your chosen spot needing at least 6 hours daily. Shade is also important, as is closeness to a water source. Remember, location is the foundation of a successful garden. Now that you've chosen your location, it's time to select your plants. Consider your climate and soil type, as these greatly affect your plant's growth. For beginners, easy-to-grow plants are a good start. Choose wisely, as the right plants can make your gardening journey a lot easier and more enjoyable. With your plants selected, it's time to get your hands dirty. Begin by ensuring each plant has ample room to grow. Spacing is crucial. Similarly, the depth at which you plant can significantly impact growth. Now, on to care. Regular watering is a must, but avoid oversaturation. Weeding is also essential to prevent unwanted plant competition. And don't forget organic fertilizers. They're your garden's best friend. Remember, it's all about consistency. Consistent care is key to a thriving garden. There you have it, the basics to kickstart your gardening adventure. Remember, choosing the right location, selecting your plants, and understanding planting and caring tips are key. Gardening is a journey. Mistakes are part of learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!